Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Namaste to my dear aspirants, my dear friends. Every big achievement begins with the power of words. The stronger your vocabulary, the sharper your answers and higher your confidence in any competitive exam. So that's why in today's season of our daily one word series, we will not only learn a powerful word but also explore its synonyms, antonyms, and even related idioms and phrases. So, this will help you in English comprehensive, descriptive papers writing, as well as objective exams like BPSC, State PCS, SSC, banking, SBI, IBPS, and many other competitive exam. So, my dear aspirants, remember learning one word per day. One word per day means 365 new words, new opportunities in a year to improve your vocabulary. So, my dear aspirants, stay consistent and words will become your strength in every exam. So, let's begin today's word journey, where one word will open the door to many expression. So, today's main word is emulate. Emulate is a verb. It means simulate, emulate, ape, imitate, copy, mime. Anukaran karna, to try to do something as well as better than somebody. You are trying to do something which is better than somebody. Me, after a long day of emulation, that boy is emulating after a long day of emulating games. Now he is losing, so he is not ready to pay $80. So emulate means to simulate, to ape, to imitate, to copy. Emulate, to copy, copy. Don't copy. So emulate means copy, to try to do something good or better than somebody. Striving to equal, it means also you are trying to be equal to someone or somebody. He worked hard to emulate the record breaking performance of the previous champion. He worked hard to emulate the record breaking performance of the previous champion. Next meaning is emulate means to imitate success. You are copying success. The young athlete hopes to emulate the achievements of a sporting hero. So examples of emulate in a sentence, it means to imitate success. The athlete hopes to emulate the achievements of a sporting hero. Copying a style means many artists try to emulate the vibrant style of famous painter. It also means try to be equal. He worked hard to emulate the record-breaking performance of the previous champion. We can use this word in the sense of computer also, in the sense of hardware also. Like this, we can use the software was designed to emulate the function of an older, more complex system. Emulating an example means you are copying an example. He grew up wanting to emulate the self-sacrificing spirit of the historical figure. So his father has mentioned so many story of historical figure like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru. So he grew up wanting to emulate, to copy the self-sacrificing spirit of the historical figure. So emulate means to imitate success, copying a style, striving to be equal, used in software also, in copying also. So emulating means to copy, to simulate. The core idea is behind emulate is to try to do something as well as another person, or to replicate means replicate a successful outcome by copying the methods that led to it. So you are trying to do something or try to do something better than someone, or copying someone. That methods motivate you to do something. Emulative, it is an adjective, means it is an adjective. Anukarniye pratyogi. So the term emulative describes something that is copying, imitating, or trying to equal or surpass the achievements of another. You are trying to better than the someone, trying to achieve the achievements from better than the someone. Typically out of admiration, it is the adjective form of verb emulate. So key characteristic of word emulative, which is an adjective, means It means it gives aspiration. Emulation is not just blind imitation. Please try to understand. It means it is not just blind imitation. It means an ambition to do something as well as better than the original. So, my dear aspirants, you are day and night practicing, working hard, giving mock tests, revising all the concept to crack whatever it is your ambition. So, it is an ambition to do something as well as or better than the original. So you are emulating. Admiring, it's emulating means admiration also. The motive for emulative behavior is often you will get admiration or respect for the person or thing being copied, for whom you are copying. So you are getting also admiration. So example sentences, few example sentences are given. If the teachers behave well in your classroom, in this classroom, if the teacher behave well, young people, young student will immediately follow that what they do. If their teachers behave well, if the teachers are behaving well, students will definitely emulatively follow what they do. So right things done by the teachers, student will also emulatively follow it. Emulatively follow it. So in the sense of positive sense, these buildings projects, next example sentence is the building projects are emulative of Brazilian architectures. So it is a copy of Brazilian architecture, this building project, these building projects. Next example sentence is their commitment to service to other is worthy of emulation. Whatever the work they have done, the commitment they have given to that job is worthy of emulation. You are worthy of emulation after achieving your ambition, after cracking your entrance exam. So, worthy of emulation means worthy of admiration. Next example sentence, she is an emulative singer not having yet created of her own. So, she is copying someone in singing. Till now, he has not created any music of her own. So she is an emulative singer not having yet created a of her own. Synonyms for emulate. Emulate means imitate, copy, mimic, follow, rival, follow in footsteps. Imitate means to copy someone's behaviors, action, or qualities. Copy means to make duplicate or imitation of someone or something. Mimic means to copy same thing. Follow means to take as an example or model. So many historical figures is taken as an example or model. Rival means you try to be equal or excel to get more progress than others. Patterns oneself, synonym is pattern oneself after. Pattern oneself after means to model oneself on someone else. You are trying to prove yourself as a model on someone else. Follow in footstep, you are following the footstep of someone to follow the example of someone who has gone before, who has done before, and that person has got admiration. So synonyms for emulate is imitate, copy, mimic, follow, rival, pattern oneself after, follow in footstep. Antonyms for emulate is neglect, ignore, reject, create, innovate. Emulate, you are neglecting, you are not copying someone good behavior, you are ignoring, to refuse to take notice of a knowledge or notice of or any knowledge, you are rejecting something, refuse to accept or consider something. You are not copying, imitating something, you are creating something new. So antonyms means to create something new. अब कुछ नया बना रहे हैं. So antonyms create, neglect करे, ignore करे, reject करे, and you are creating something. Innovate means to same thing, you are creating something new, to introduce new ideas or methods. Let's take emulate, which means to emulate means क्या हुआ, imitate someone with the aim of matching or surpassing them. आप किसी को कॉपी करें ताकि आप वैसा कर पाएं या उससे कुछ अच्छा कर पाएं. So we are going to learn based on the main word emulate, idioms and phrases. First idiom is follow in someone footsteps. Follow in someone footsteps. It means to emulate or try to achieve the same success as someone else. Often a family member or रोल मॉडल, किसी के पद चिन्हों पर चलना, किसी की तरह बनने या किसी की उपलब्धि पाने की कोशिश करना. Follow in someone's footstep. Someone has done something very good, so you are trying to follow that, you are trying to imitate, you are trying to emulate to get that part of a admiration. So, following someone's footstep. Examples, sentences: she became a doctor following in her mother's footstep. Her mother is also doctor, so she became a doctor. वो भी अपने पिता, मदर, उस पिता नहीं है, माता होगी, सॉरी. So she became a doctor following in her mother's footstep. वो अपनी मामा की footstep में चलते हुए डॉक्टर बन गई. So she became a doctor following in her mother's footstep. So it's copying someone, often a family member or role model. So following someone footstep means to do the same thing as someone else did previously. To do the something as someone else did previously. Example sentence: she followed in her mother's footsteps, starting her own business. Her mother is doing business, so she also follow her mother's footsteps and starting her own business. Next idiom is monkey see, monkey do. We rarely use this idiom, but it is a rare idiom that reflects the negative side of emulation. Previous idiom is we have learned follow in someone footstep gives positive admiration, positive meaning. Emulation, and it monkey see, monkey do. It is a rare idiom. It gives blind imitation. You are blindly imitating someone without knowing the original things. So it is a we use rarely. To copy someone's action without understanding or thinking, blind imitation. आप बिल्कुल उसको उस पे blind उसको नकल कर रहे हैं बिना जाने हुए कि वो सही है कि गलत है. So monkey see, monkey do. Kids often behave like monkey see, monkey do when they copy everything adults do. King क्या बच्चे क्या करते हैं? Kids often behave like monkey see, monkey do. जब adults जैसा करते हैं उसको copy करते हैं. So monkey see, monkey do. Now next idiom is take a leaf out of someone's book. Take a leaf out of someone's book. It means to copy someone's behavior or action because they are successful or admirable. Take a leaf out of someone's book. So you are imitating, you are copying someone's behavior or activity or action because they are successful, they are admirable, they have some position, a light position in society. So take a leaf out of someone's book. Example sentence: you should take a leaf out of his book and start working hard. So where your father is very renowned person, so you are also trying to be a renowned person, respectable person in the society. So you my dear aspirant, you should take a leaf out of his book and start working hard. आप भी अपने पापा की तरह बनो और बहुत ही मेहनत करो. You have to work hard to achieve your goal. So you should take a leaf out of his book. His book means your father's book, and start working hard. So take a leaf out of someone's book means to copy what someone else does because they are very successful at doing it. They are getting admiration. So at doing it. So take a leaf out of mentor's book can help you navigate challenges and achieve personal growth. So you are taking different types of entrance examination. You are watching videos of many mentors. So my dear aspirants, take a leaf out of mentors YouTube video or mentors book, whatever the book you are using. It can help you to navigate different types of challenges and help you to achieve personal growth. So take a leaf out of someone's book means you are taking knowledge from someone and you're trying to be successful as someone. So taking a leaf out of mentor's book can help you navigate challenges, to come forward towards and to tackle different types of challenges and help you to achieve personal growth. So new word has come. The word is navigate. So navigate is a verb. It means to use a map, etc., to find your way to somewhere. And second meaning is to sail a boat along a river or across a sea. First meaning navigate we can use in while using a map. When you are searching anywhere, you are going to new city or any place, so you have to use a map. Or navigating means if you drive, I will navigate. You drive, I will navigate. It means if you drive, I will navigate. If you are driving, and your brother, sister, mother, father is saying navigating with the help of Google Map. So navigate means to use a map to know the direction. In a written sense, we are using navigate to sail a boat along a river or across a sea. So navigate, next example is the captain successfully navigated the ship through the storm. The captain successfully navigated the ship through the storm. And next example sentence is he navigated his way through the crowded street. He navigated his way through the crowded street. So navigate means to know the direction with the help of someone and with the help of Google Map. Nowadays we are always doing while driving to go to the new location. So these are the main word is emulate. With the help of main word we have learned its antonym and synonyms, related idiom and phrases, and one new word navigate also. So kindly watch next series. Thank you for watching. One word per day will definitely improve your vocabulary in cracking different types of examination. Stay consistent, my dear aspirants.